Email verification failed on Changelly Fix. If your Changelly email verification isn't working, you're not alone. This happens to many users, but the solution is usually simple once you know the right steps. First, ensure the email address you entered is completely correct. Even a single typo, extra space, or missing character can block the verification email from being sent. Accuracy here is critical. Next, check all your inbox folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Emails from Changelly are sometimes filtered incorrectly, especially by Gmail or Yahoo. Once you find the verification email, click the link promptly, as it can expire quickly. If you haven't received it, request a new verification email from the Changelly website or app. Resending the link resolves the issue for most users. Browser or device issues may also interfere with verification. Do your browser cache, switch browsers, or use the Changelly mobile app to ensure proper email delivery. Occasionally, your email provider may block automated messages. If this happens, try signing up with another email address, ideally Gmail or Outlook, which are generally more reliable for verification emails. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Changelly support. Provide details about what you've tried, and they can manually verify your account so you can start exchanging crypto without delay. Remember, verify your email carefully, check all folders, resend the link if needed, try a different browser or device, and contact support if necessary. Following these steps usually fixes email verification issues quickly, letting you start using Changelly immediately.